Here we are going to tell you about Axion electric meat mincers and answer the most frequently asked questions. How do Axion meat mincers differ from each other and from competitors? How to assemble and disassemble the Axion meat mincer? How to replace a protection cap? What are the functions of Axion meat mincers? And many other questions. Well, meat mincers by Axion are designed for preparing minced meat, fish, mushroom, grinding vegetables and fruits, and making berry puree. High performance of the meat mincer is achieved due to a special design of the auger chamber. The spiral grooves and the variable pitch of the auger provide optimal product flow for easy grinding, even for a stringy meat. Wear-proof self-sharpening cutting blade is made of high-quality chrome steel. It has saber-shaped edges for quick and proper product processing. The blades of new models of the meat mincers are equipped with teeth for better operation. There are different cutting plates for mincing meat of several textures. Please do not clean plates in dishwasher. Most models of the Axion meat mincers are equipped with special storage space for power cord and cutting plates. This space is located at the bottom or rear side of the device. Rubber feet provide the device stability while working. And now let's take a look inside the device to see its spare parts. The main part of the meat mincer is the engine with overheat protection and the gearbox made of shatterproof plastic. Protection cap helps the engine and the reduction gear to work properly. When solid object is inside the meat mincer, the protection cap cracks, the screw stops rotating and the engine starts working idle without overloading. Every meat mincer is equipped with a set of spare protection caps, so it's not a problem to replace the cap. The cap is made of high-tension plastic. The only reason for it to be broken is critically full load. Use attachments to expand the functions of the meat mincer and turn a meat mincer into a kitchen machine. All the attachments can be bought separately. Vegetable cutting attachment with 3 removable cylinders is designed for slicing, cutting and chopping vegetables. Juice squeezing attachments is designed for making pulpy juices of fruits and berries. Sausage filling attachment. Juice squeezing attachment for citrus fruits. Protection screen keeps your kitchen clean and tidy. There are several models of the Axion meat mincers which differ with the design and technical specifications. The name of the model changed due to different complexity sets and attachments included. For example, M1401 model has no additional attachments. M1402 is equipped with vegetable slicing and juice squeezing attachments. One of the most important specifications of meat mincer is its power. We will start with the mincers with the maximum power of 600 Watt. These are models M12 and M14. This power is enough for cooking for small family. The advantage of these models is their small size. Moreover, due to rubber feet of M14 model, you can store it both vertically and horizontally. Now we're to describe the meat mincers with the power from 1000 to 1500 Watt. M21, M25 and M32 meat mincers have high-position screw body, which allows using deep bowls for minced meat. Speaking about the M31, M33 and M35 models, we can highlight its main advantage – reverse mode. This mode makes the screw rotate in other direction to clean the screw body from stuck meat without disassembling the device. Many models are equipped with carrying handle. The maximum power is 1700 Watt for production minced meat from meat of any quality and type. M41 meat mincer is presented in classic white, deep wine colored and blue colors. Pay your attention to the M4102 model, which is equipped with the complete set of attachments. It is kind of the analog of kitchen food processor. M42 meat mincer with electronic control panel is for people keeping up with the times. The device is equipped with LED power indication and the smart reverse mode. Finally, we are to present the models with the power of 2000 Watt. Regarding your budget and your aims, you can choose the meat mincer with efficient set of functions and attachments. Let's get to the most exciting part. We will take the experiment to compare the capacity of our device and its analogs. The power of all the devices is the same. The experiment shows that Axion meat mincer works faster than its competitors, and the quality of minced meat is the same. Our meat mincers meet the requirements of the international quality and safety standard. There are many awards from the competitions: 100 Best Products of Russia, Gold Medal and Diploma European Quality and others. All Axion meat mincers have 3-year warranty. During the warranty period, a customer can reach out to any certified service center. You can find a list of service centers on our website.